Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Boult Astra. First, ensure your earbuds are fully charged before their initial use. This helps with battery longevity. Next, open the charging case to automatically put the earbuds into pairing mode. You will then see Boult Astra appear on your device's Bluetooth list. Simply select it to connect, and you are ready to enjoy your audio experience. Controlling your audio is simple with the Boult Astra's touch sensors. A single tap on either earbud will play or pause your music. To skip to the next track, just double tap the right earbud. If you want to go back to a previous song, double tap the left earbud. For quick access to your voice assistant, a triple tap does the trick. Managing calls is effortless. A single tap on either earbud will answer an incoming call or end an ongoing one. If you need to reject a call, simply press and hold either earbud for 2 seconds. When it is time to recharge, just place your earbuds back into their charging case. The LED indicator on the case will show you the current charging status. For an even more personalized audio experience, download the Boult Audio app. It allows you to customize equalizer settings to perfectly match your preferences. Remember to keep your earbuds clean for optimal sound quality and hygiene. A quick wipe with a soft, dry cloth is usually all you need. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.